G'day everyone, welcome to the ECM Market Report here today, the 20th of April 2022. Today here in Vale, we yarded 720 head of cattle. Today the cows were about 20 cents dearer than last week. They made up to $3.65 for your really good heavy cows, and your working cows made from $2.60 up to $3 a kilo. Export cattle here today, they made from $3.80 up to $4.20, except for an exceptional pen of 2 to 14th Angus and Angus cross steers from Gavin and Michaela Horse from Terralga. They weighed 686 kilos, coming back at $4.70. I think it was about $32.50 they come out at the end. Beautiful cattle. G'day everyone. Feeder cattle here today, they were still on par with last week. Your good 500 to 540 kilo Angus feeder steers made from $5 to $5.25. Your 400 to 480 kilo steers topped out at $5.92. And your 350 to 400 kilo feeder steers, your lightweights, they topped out at $6.18, pretty sure. Trade cattle here today, they were very strong last week. We had a beautiful run of Urabel calves out of Braidwood. They made from $5.80 up to $6.20. And the majority of your trade cattle, they made from $5.50 to $5.70 or $80 across the board. But a lot of trade cattle here today were returning to the paddock.
Very nice yard of restock of steers, weighing 300 kilos, making from $6.50 up to $7.50. Just coming out at below $2,000.
Just below $1,998.
Want some nice light border steers weighing about 290 kilos?
Yeah, the market cheapened off towards the end of the sale today. A nice run of cattle there, but that's cheapened off. These ones only cost 630 cents a kilo.
We have some lightweight Angus heifers here.
They get weighed about 150 kilos. They get sort of that $7, $7.60, coming out about $1,100, $1,200. Not pretty cheap buying, to be honest with you.
One cow calf yard here today. This nice cow with a calf on it made $3,060. Only
$390.
You've only two bulls here today. Bulls made 300 cents a kilo.
How'd you go on the week? The town drop on the weekend, John?
6, Louis.
Was that for the donkey or the rider?
The donkey.
Okay, was that out of 6 or 16?
Out of 6, but there was actually 140.
6 players.